guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to properly prep your hair for a relaxer slash how I prep my hair for a relaxer. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to show you guys or talk to you guys about what I do and show you the ones I can show you. So this is a week to my relaxer. I'll be relaxing my hair next week, and this is what I normally do before I relax my hair. So sit tight and watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And without wasting time, let's get straight into this video.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy? Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
So guys, I just finished washing my hair, and as you can see I am drying my hair with this t-shirt. That's why you can see it on my hair. So I didn't film when I was conditioning my hair, just because I feel you guys have seen that particular part over and over again, and I didn't use any new product to condition my hair. I did condition my hair and washed it out, and I went in with this ORS hair mayonnaise. I applied this one after washing out my conditioner, so I just went ahead to use this hair mayonnaise as a light protein treatment and also a conditioning treatment as well. So after that I just rinsed my hair, and I am currently drying my hair with this t-shirt. Now the next thing I'm going to do right now, since my wash day routine is over, is to go ahead and moisturize and seal my hair. Today I am not going to use a lot of product on my hair at all, because I don't want to weigh my hair down too much. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this DIY hair grease that I made like 2 videos before this one. I'm going to link this video in the description box in case you want to see how I made it. So just because this is very thick and is quite okay to moisturize your hair, and there are oils inside, so I don't need to apply an extra coat of oil after applying this. I don't want my hair to be super oily and greasy. This is enough for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this thoroughly to my entire hair and style my hair how I want it to be. So guys, I'm going to take down this t-shirt. This is what my hair currently looks like. This is going to be my last wash day routine before my next relaxer. As you can see, my hair has grown quite a lot. I don't know if you guys can see the demarcation of the new growth. This is what my hair currently looks like. So this is quite a lot. My hair has definitely grown a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and moisturize and seal my hair right now. So guys, I am done, and this is how I decided to leave my hair. I am air drying my hair, and I just decided to leave it this way so the hair can properly dry before I go to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video, and my relaxer is going to be next week. I'm going to relax my hair next week, but I am still looking for a place to order my ORS olive oil light relaxer. For some reason I've not been able to find that relaxer anywhere, so I'm still looking for it. And if you have any recommendation on where I can get it, then leave them in the comment section. But if you have any other alternative any light relaxer I can use, please leave a comment down below. Let me go and check it out as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've watched to this point, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.